Hi you folks, how are we all doing today? My name's Luke. As always, I'm from Radford Creations. Welcome back to the channel. So, we're back guys. Hospital's given me the all clear. One mostly working hand. Still have to wear the wrist brace while I'm doing more strenuous activities. Hopefully nothing serious today, mostly just welding. And yeah, so about a month ago, before I injured my hand, I said that we were going to be carrying on with our R2D2 projects, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Because we need to start getting it finished, don't we? Because it's been dragging on for so long and I've been really dragging my heels with it because there is just so much welding to do and it's getting very, very monotonous. But I've got a plan which is hopefully going to give us a big jump forwards today and get us hopefully a lot closer to getting this finished. So if you can remember to please like, comment and subscribe on this video, it'll help me out a million times over. Let's get started guys. So a quick update for all of you that haven't been keeping up to date with our R2D2 build. This is where we're at. And also, if you haven't been keeping up to date, what's wrong? But why aren't you keeping up to date? All the videos are in the playlist. Go and check them out. So, as you can see, we've been using lots of screws, nuts, bolts and all sorts of stuff to make this. And it is just taking absolutely forever. We've got the main front. His main features on the front, his little vents and stuff like that. But we need to start moving this along quicker. So what we need to do is start using bigger materials. So we've got a few like larger wrenches and stuff. But I think if we start using a lot more stuff like this, then it will obviously fill the gap a lot quicker rather than me using tiny little screws to do 2 hours welding and do this much. So yeah, so I've got some stuff. We'll have a quick look at it now. Right folks, so in this little bag here we've got some goodies which I haven't actually gone through yet, but a customer gave me this hoping it would help me with my R2D2 build, and it looks like it's definitely going to. So horseshoe, perfect, spanners, weird. Oh, it's an extension for a, yeah. There you go, some cutting bits. All rusty as well, which is good because it means we're going to be able to weld them. What is this? Oh, a chain. Oh, it's a chain from a chainsaw. Okay, I'm going to cut myself out. I'm not sure if I'll be able to weld these, but I'll give it a blooming good go. That could be really cool, to be fair, to just make it into any sort of shape. Might be worth a go. Yeah, spanners. What are these old pliers? Which are, oh no, absolutely just welded together. But yeah, they're pretty cool, aren't they? Imagine them on the. Just look at that one. All good stuff. Yeah, it's big ones. This is what we want. Gas cylinder or something. Yeah, there's loads. Okay. Some good stuff in here. What I think we need to do first, guys, is fire up the Ford. Look how thick that is. I might keep that and turn that into something else. I think I will actually. I think we need to fire up the Ford and get these bent because, as if I try and weld across like this, it's just going to be sticking out. Whereas what we can do is use an old gas cylinder and curve them, which will help us keep the right shape as we're going round. Because as you can see, if we try and weld this on, it's just going to be sticking out on the edges. So yeah, I think if we curve this stuff round, it's going to help us a lot, and hopefully we can get some good progress done today. So as you can see, they're all slightly curved now, which is going to help us on the sort of cylindrical shape of our tooth body. These are still quite hot. I'm going to let them cool down and I'm going to start welding. I'm not going to show you hours and hours of me welding. I'll do a few short shots and then you'll get the idea and we'll show you where we got to in the end. Okay guys, let's get going. There we have it then, folks. Using the bigger items has been a roaring success. We've added a lot more in just a couple of hours. As you can see, I'll throw up a couple of little videos showing it off a bit more at the end of the video. But yeah, I need to keep pushing with this and keep getting it more done. I'm hoping a few more hours of welding and we can have the main body all done. I'm going to order what we're using for the head, which is going to be a lampshade of some description, and we've got the legs, which are front suspension arms from a Nissan Micra, which I showed you in the last video, was it, or the one before? But yeah, it's all coming along and hopefully it will all start coming together in the next few weeks. So next week we have a how to start blacksmithing video, and then the week after we'll be back onto this, but I'll be working on this in between, so maybe in the next video we'll have it mostly done. But yeah, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Subscribing and commenting on the videos really helps me out, guys, and I would appreciate it very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.